Understanding Scanner Maintenance, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and importance of the phrases scanner maintenance. Whether you're at work, school, or handling personal documents, knowing how to talk about maintaining electronic devices is incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and understand what scanner maintenance involves and why it's important. The phrase, scanner maintenance, consists of two key parts, scanner and maintenance. A scanner is an electronic device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages, and similar sources for computer editing and display. Scanners are commonly used in offices, libraries, and homes for various tasks such as digitizing documents or photos. Maintenance, in this context, refers to the tasks and activities involved in keeping the scanner in good working condition. This can include cleaning, checking for software updates, and repairing any parts that might be malfunctioning. Maintaining your scanner is crucial for several reasons. Prevents damage. Regular maintenance helps prevent damage to the scanner, ensuring it lasts longer. Ensures quality. It guarantees the quality of the scans, preventing any decline in image or document clarity over time. Saves money. By avoiding serious malfunctions through regular checks, you save money on potentially costly repairs or replacements. Efficiency. A well-maintained scanner operates more efficiently, saving you time and frustration during your scanning tasks. Performing basic maintenance on your scanner is not complicated. Here are a few tips. 1. Keep it clean. Regularly dust off the scanner and clean the glass surface with a soft, lint-free cloth to avoid scratches. 2. Update software. Ensure that your scanner's software or driver is up to date to improve performance and add new features. 3. Check for wear and tear. Inspect your scanner for any signs of wear or damage, especially if it's used frequently. 4. Consult the manual. Always refer to your scanner's manual for specific maintenance guidelines and troubleshooting tips. We hope this video has shed light on scanner maintenance and its importance. Remember, taking care of your electronic devices is not just about prolonging their lifespan but also about ensuring they perform at their best. Whether for work or personal use, a well-maintained scanner can be a valuable tool. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on English language learning. Happy scanning!